Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for the best in home and lifestyle products. Today, we're diving into the GermGuardian 4-in-1 HEPA air purifier. The best room freshener for your home, and a must-have if you want clean, fresh air on autopilot. Whether you're battling allergens, odors, or just looking for an extra layer of protection for your family, this air purifier does it all. Let's start with what makes the GermGuardian stand out. With its sleek 22-inch tower design, it's not just effective, but stylish enough to blend seamlessly into any room. This air purifier is equipped with a true HEPA filter, which captures 99.97% of particles as small as 0.1 microns. That means it tackles common allergens like dust, pollen, and pet dander, ensuring your home's air stays fresh and safe to breathe. It's a powerful machine, and it's built to handle rooms up to 743 square feet. Imagine how much cleaner and more comfortable your living room, bedroom, or office will feel. The GermGuardian runs on a 4.8 bar/hour air circulation rate in smaller rooms, and even in larger spaces, it works efficiently, filtering your air every hour. One of the standout features of this model is its UVC light technology. This ultraviolet light works with the HEPA filter to further reduce airborne contaminants, including bacteria and viruses, giving you even more peace of mind when it comes to keeping your space healthy. Whether you're dealing with flu season or just want cleaner air every day, this air purifier has you covered. Another key feature? The activated carbon filter, which tackles odors. Cooking smells, pet odors, and smoke can linger in your home, but the GermGuardian helps absorb and neutralize those, leaving you with fresh, clean air. No more worrying about the smells that can stick around and make your house feel less inviting. And don't worry about the noise. Even though it's powerful, the GermGuardian operates quietly, making it perfect for bedrooms, offices, or even nurseries. At just 55 decibels on its highest setting, it won't disturb your daily activities, so you can sleep or work with peace of mind. What's more, the GermGuardian is made with the highest safety standards in mind. It's Energy Star certified, meaning it's energy efficient, and it's also ETL and CARB certified, making it a trustworthy choice for anyone looking to improve indoor air quality without compromise. Plus, it's independently tested in the USA, so you can trust it's built to last. Operating the GermGuardian couldn't be simpler. With easy-to-use touch controls, you can adjust the settings to fit your needs. Whether you want to run it continuously or set a timer, this air purifier gives you full control over how you want to maintain the air quality in your space. If you're looking for a reliable air purifier that not only cleans your air but also fights odors, reduces allergens, and keeps your space smelling fresh, the GermGuardian 4-in-1 HEPA air purifier is the perfect solution. Its combination of advanced filtration and UVC technology sets it apart from other air purifiers on the market. So, if you're ready to breathe cleaner, fresher air, and enjoy a healthier home, check out the GermGuardian 4-in-1 HEPA air purifier today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product reviews from Product Critique. Thanks for watching.